Emotional intelligence is a valuable tool for sales professionals, enabling them to better understand their market and their customers. Emotional intelligence has a direct impact on success by tailoring the sales approach to appropriately manage emotions and meet needs, and helps to build long-term relationships with customers. Using emotional intelligence well, sales professionals can read their customers' emotions and respond in a way that is both understanding and effective. They are more capable of handling difficult conversations and objections, helping them to close deals and build trust with their customers. Also, emotional intelligence helps sales professionals manage stress and stay motivated and to remain focused and productive, even when faced with difficult challenges.